How to download Google Maps on mobile. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can install or download Google Maps on your mobile device. Generally, many Android devices come with Google Maps pre-installed because Android is developed by Google. However, this may vary depending on the specific version of Android and any customizations made by the device manufacturer. On the other hand, iPhones and iPad do not come with the Google Maps pre-installed. Users need to download and install Google Maps from the App Store if they wish to use it on their iOS devices. Now, if you are using Android device, you may have the Google Maps already installed on your device. That's the case, you just have to update the Google Map. But the Google Maps is not installed on your device, go to the Play Store of your device. In case of Android, if you are using iOS device, you can go to the App Store of your iOS device and at the search bar, type Google Maps. You will be presented with the search results. You can see install button at the right of this application. If the application has not been installed on your device, you just simply have to click on that install button and start the installation process. Here I have already installed Google Map on my device, so I'm able to see the update button instead of install. You can also click on this update and start the updating process. Wait patiently until the download and installation process completes. After successful installation, you will see open button at the right side. Go ahead and tap on open and then you will be able to use your Google Map. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.